What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over my top 5 places and things to do in Taiwan, which is one of the most beautiful and underrated countries I've ever been to. What's up, guys? So let's hop right into it. First up is Moon World Landscape Park, which is an area of protected landscape of barren rocks and mudstone badlands that stretch as far as the eye can see. There's walking trails throughout the rock formations, making it super tourist friendly. Moon World is located southeast of Tainan City in the direction of Kaohsiung City, located in southern Taiwan. To visit here from Taipei, it is super easy. Just head to Taipei main station and grab a high-speed train ticket. It's a short but beautiful 2-hour train ride and then you'll arrive. I grabbed a hotel in the outskirts of Tainan City, kind of just in between downtown Tainan, Moon World, and the train station. I went to Moon World for sunrise and I was able to spend a few hours there before a single other person arrived. It was amazing. Alright, next up, Liu Geo Park, and this is located near the very northern tip of the country, just north of New Taipei City in the Wanli district. It was a relatively cheap entrance fee and an easy Uber ride away from my hotel. Liu is a geopark filled with unbelievable and otherworldly natural landscapes and sedimentary rocks. Most of the unusual formations are due to centuries and centuries of sea erosion. Of some of the rock formations, there's tons of weathering rings, honeycombed rocks, mushroom rocks, hoodoos, ginger rock, ocean eroded potholes, and candle-shaped rocks. One of the main attractions here is the Queen's Head, one of the most unique hoodoo rock formations I've ever seen in my life. Next up is Taipei 101 Observation Deck. Taipei 101 stands tall at 1,671 feet. The observation deck sits on the 89th floor, offering 360-degree views of downtown Taipei. It's absolutely beautiful. It's your typical observation deck, so you can expect crowds, entrance fees, and endless souvenir shops. But once you get past that, it's absolutely breathtaking, and I highly recommend checking it out. Upon its building completion, it was the world's tallest inhabited building, but since then no longer holds that rank. Next up is Heaping Island Park, which is also on the northern coast of the country. It's just about a 40-45 minute drive east of Liu Geo Park. It's actually relatively similar to Liu. It also has some otherworldly rock formations, mushroom rocks, and some very cool architecture. With many years of wind and sea erosion, the rocks and coast have formed some seriously crazy shapes. There is an observation deck that looks like a shrine or kind of a temple, and it overlooks the entire northern coast of Taiwan. It's amazing. Last but not least is Dan Forest Park, right in the middle of downtown Taipei. To be honest, it really reminded me of Central Park in New York City. It's near a few night markets and also Taipei 101, so it's a great hotspot for exploring. If you're looking to relax or get in some scenic nature or take an afternoon nap, this is your spot. It's basically a rectangle-shaped park in the middle of downtown, and it offers great views of Taipei while also having some great walking trails in the park, surrounded by tons and tons of lush greenery. So I only had 6 days in Taiwan and it completely blew me away, and in my opinion it's totally an underrated country and I can't wait to go back. But before I wrap up this video, I'd like to give some honorable mentions of some places in Taiwan that I wanted to go but I just didn't have time to. I'll definitely be visiting these on my next trip, but here they are. There's Sun Moon Lake, Golden Waterfall, Gongshan Buddha, Lotus Pond, Taroko National Park, and Wulai Hot Springs. So if you're planning a trip to Taiwan or you're heading there, highly recommend checking out these spots. They're all absolutely incredible. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.